Greetings and salutations. This is Carla, and it's time for yet another edition of MooreTalkJa. Don't be a duppy bad. Don't be a duppy bad, yeah. Because some of us are out here acting like duppy bats. But before we move into that, let's get some housekeeping things out of the way. Yes, this is a Pentecostal band that I'm wearing at the front of my head. Lit Pentecostal has become my favorite look of all. I'm very happy with my hair choices, and you should get happy with yours. Yes, that is an avocado on the bed behind me. I don't want any judgment. You need to come out of my personal life. And yes, I'll probably sweat through this because I have had to turn off the fan so that you can have good sound quality. And quite frankly, Jamaica is as hot as the inside of Satan's wife's coochie right now. Okay? So now that we've settled that, next thing. Some of you out here living some quality of life that is causing people to make memes off of you. Now, I'm saying some of you, but I know that it's personal because I have made these decisions and these mistakes in the past, but I want us to grow as a people and stop making the same mistakes over and over again, right? So I was browsing the interwebs, which is where I think all of the truth is kept right now, and I came across this meme. It says, if a chick get ghost on your ass for no reason, her ex tricked her like he changed, give her 2 months, she'll be back. Where is the lie? Where is the lie? There is no lie, because a lot of you know that's gonna come out on a relationship, gonna walk around and tell everybody how the ex dirty and disgusting, gonna slander them name, gonna block them, gonna unblock them, gonna block them, gonna unblock them, gonna make a fake account so they can follow them, gonna make a friend follow them so they can keep that span in the life, and then you decide to, okay, you're done with it. You find a good new person. The person is treating you right. They are giving you foot rubs. They're picking the bump them out of your face. They're scratching the dandruff out of your head. They're going shopping for you and buying you underwear that does not have holes in it. All these types of things that we need in order to feel fulfilled and beautiful. And then the ex come back the same way that Satan always rolled back through. The ex come back, and next thing you know, you drop off the perfectly good, functional, emotional, developed human being for the ex. Why? Why are we doing these things? Some of us feel like our life is a court of law and precedent is the thing that matters most. The fact that something was there first or that it has been done in the past does not mean that it is the only thing that can continue to happen. You have to make space for change. Stop going back to the ex that has mistreated you because them come back and, oh, a long time you know them and you love them before you love this person. That doesn't actually make sense. When I was a child, I loved breastfeeding. Me no want to drink titty milk now because I outgrew it. The fact that you love them first does not mean them is who you're supposed to love last. No, I'm not saying that people cannot change, right? But some of them are out here paying for a miracle month and a need to give the ex like a miracle year, and a need to give God time to work. Sometimes, just a second, God put finger down and say, yeah, I'm going to address this. You come, back to this matter out of God, and God gonna love them up and kiss them up because you saw the reflected glow of God's greatness on them. The glow never complete. It never did come from inside of them, and God did get ready for shining miracle on them. Leave them alone for some time so them can fix themselves. People can fix themselves, but it's unlikely that it's going to happen in a month. I know that you're not accustomed to watching television. I know that in television there's like scene 1 where things are okay, scene 2 where things go wrong, and then scene 3 where things are okay, baby. Sometimes it is a 2 year between scenes 2 and 3. Allow the resolution to happen as it should. The other thing. Some of you is out here making bad decisions within life because you're not afraid to be single. Now, I understand being single is very hard, right? If you're accustomed to sleeping in bed with somebody and you have to sleep in the bed by yourself, you want to thump up the pillow them, you buy pillow pets and all of these things to try to help you. It not help you. Sleep in the middle of the bed. That's a pro tip. Sleep in the middle of the bed. If you're accustomed to going to do things with somebody, you walk up and down in the supermarket and you are throw the things in the trolley and them are push it, and now you have to push and a throw at the same time. It can sound very taxing and it's very complicated and you don't know what to do, right? You have to deal with people that ask you what the relationship there, what the smarty there, all of them something there. I get it, but avoiding those things is not actually worth putting yourself back into a situation that is going to hurt you. So let me tell you some of the good things about being single. When you're single, your food lasts longer. The food in your house actually lasts longer because them nanny am it all. And some of you don't know, you is a person who eat like a bird and you is dating somebody who eat like a hippopotamus. You cannot feed that person. Sometimes you date people who have all of food allergies and food restriction. Them don't eat this, them don't eat that. This can't touch, that can't touch, and them something. When you're single, you're just a shop for you one. That's money in your pocket. When you're single, you can go where you want without having to tell people, you know? Can you know sometimes, especially like if you share a car or like them that usually drop you or you usually drop them and them something like you have to work around them dentist appointment and when them have to go visit them sick auntie and when them have to pick up them cousin from football practice because the cousin mother is kind of worthless and don't generally pick them up and all them type of something there. You don't have to do that now. Go where you want to go. Anytime you want to go, you don't have to ask for a special night off for yourself. Just go and do anything you want to do. When you single, you can sleep with as many people as you want to. Although given open relationships are a thing, sometimes you can sleep with as many people as you want to while you're in the relationship, but you can do it probably like less drama, because someone don't really know how to manage open relationships properly. You know what I'm saying to you? When you're single, you can do whatever you want to do with protection. Right? You can go out and explore the world through your crutches. You can learn about the ups and downs of all the different people in the world and what type of personality you like, what type of penis and poop you like and don't like. Learn about it. Have a great time. You can do it when you're single. When you're single, you can shave or not shave. You can choose to do as much grooming on your body as you want to, because there ain't nobody coming near the body. Right? When you're single, you can left the house as dirty as you want to. Left the banana peel, they make them rotten. Make my God start take up the place. Like pile up the something, them. Make all of the pizza box, them land up in the corner till them start like Stonehenge. Do whatever you want to do. Or you can give in to all of your OCDs. You can arrange everything in your house by color, size, and date of purchase. And there will be nobody there to laugh and judge you because you want the house. And understand what I'm saying to you? When you are single, you can do all of these things and you can spend some time with yourself. But know some man afraid of yourself because I have issues. I'm not judge you. You have issues too. We have issues. If you grow up in a country that come out of colonization or not, every country come out of colonization. They either are colonized or not colonized, with the exception as like probably like Ethiopia. Big up you. Yeah? The only way I deal with it, we have issues. To deal with yourself. Sit down with yourself for a little bit. Why is it that you need so much people to distract you from yourself? Look, I'm tired of us living the type of lifestyle that gets us made into memes. I know, I used to live that lifestyle, but I've decided I'm not doing it anymore. If it is that your ex was a junker, please understand that a junker can probably come back as a turtle dove or something like that, but the junker have to go dead, make some time pass, find a new horse, and reincarnate. And that now got happen in 2 weeks. Me know say in the movie them, the people them catch it in a them head and like finally figure it out, like just as you out for cross the belt in at the airport and like come run you down in a real life. That now got one. Them are gonna run you down, them are gonna take you back, and them are gonna give you on same way. So give them little time. Don't make precedent the only thing that matters. Give new people a try and stop being a duppy bat and living a memeable life out here. Yeah? Goodbye.